everyone! Welcome back to Mick the Miner!
Hello guys, welcome back to Make the Miner. So we will get the torches first, but first, but first, I don't know what we will do yet, but I will get the torch for weekend 9. Let's mine everybody. But first, we are going today is to try to get uh coal. Boom, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, boom, bing, boom. Wait, torch. We will get the another pickaxe in our chest. But first, we will get the pickaxe. I know. But first, mine. First, mine first. Mine. We will mine a little bit longer. A little bit longer. I'm sorry for the interrupting, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, for interrupting. But we will get coal first. If we find coal, torch, torch, torch. Coal. Thank you for the luck, guys. You give me luck. Thank you, guys, for the luck you give me. So many coal. So many coal. Boom. Meron pa. There's more. Boom. Iron. Oh, that's so super duper epic, guys. Super duper epic. Wait, there's iron nearby coal. Only two. Oh no. Thank you for the luck, guys. Appreciate the luck. Boom, bang, bang, boom, bam, bang, boom, bam, boom, 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 bang, 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 boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang. We will just melt the iron first. Boom, bada boom, bam, boom. Akyat, up, 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 up. Boom, boom. And And that's for all today, guys. See you again in the next video.